Julie Moreland here, your Norwic's independent consultant. So I have cleansed my face, I've done the rest of my nightly routine, and next on my list is the Detox+Restore Hydrating Night Cream. So sometimes our skin gets dull and dry because of the environmental stressors that we face each day. So why is our night cream so good? Well, it has Nordic antioxidants in it, and that nourishes our skin, and then it also detoxes our skin throughout the evening. Then it also has Nordic mushroom blend in it, and that just takes the moisture from underneath and draws it to the surface so that our skin is better moisturized. Then it also has plant-based ingredients in it. So you take the cap off, and it has a pump. There is actually 83 pumps in this, and it's an airless pump. So you just pump up the amount that you need. Then you wipe off the top so you're not getting all of the germs from your fingers into a container, scooping it out each day. You rub it and pat it into your skin. This is your forever container. You can order a refill or put it on auto ship and save. If you order a refill, that saves you $10. If you put it on our auto save, then it saves you an additional 10% off as well. So I hope you get a chance to try out and enjoy our detoxing, moisturizing night cream.